That's the old family farm right there. Really neat place. River down there in the bottom. The creek came through there. Deer, turkeys, even occasional mountain lion. Cool little 18-hole golf course. It's just wilting away. They had to quit watering it. They had run out of water. You can see the fairways just dying. They're going to try to keep the greens alive as much as they can. See the dam over there, state park right there for camping, and a little puddle of water. 25% of what they're normally at. All right, here we go. Dirt for the next 60 miles. Old coal mine road off to the left there. Caught on fire and burns to this day. It's been closed for 80 years. It's called the Narrows, and it's basically a one vehicle road with pullouts. I just love the torque and the grunt of this motor. That's a good third gear grunt. It just, I won't even need to downshift, I will. But it would grunt right out of these corners in third, going this slow. Starting to rain a little bit. I don't know, but I don't think this GoPro's waterproof. But it better be a little bit waterproof. I'm gonna keep going with it for a minute. Man, I'm making good time up this mountain. I'll make good time down. It was so slow last night in the dark. Thermometer says 61 degrees, and I'm not gonna lie, it feels colder. I was warmer coming over here at 52 last night. Part of what I'm doing is the Mitas E07 review compared to the Scorpions that were on this. And they're really good. They cornered good. Handles good, especially in the gravel and the dirt. They are a better tire for that than the Scorpions. You can get into a turn a little heavier, a little harder with these tires than you could the Pirellis. Really like them. Been really good. It's cold, dude. It says 55 degrees. I mean, not that there's any shelter there, because there's not. A little squirrely, just a little slick there in spots. Boy, the mountain needs this. This is wonderful. Everything needs this in the West. So glad. Glad it's raining, hailing, whatever it's doing. It's good. Called the slides right here, and it'll be slick. This mudslide just keeps going year after year after year right here. Never stops. They just have to regrade the road. That is slick. Woo. You see the old dead trees. They burned this 7-8 years ago to clear away a lot of deadfall, and those quaking aspens come back in thick. Little Horse Creek. Almost to Fahren Reservoir. Fahren Reservoir was built in 1890s, and it was their first source of water storage for the little town of Fahren, down where we were. Since they built the big dam, they've actually just sealed this off. Beautiful little lake full of trout. Really cool place. ATV heaven up here. There's trails, there's roads. It's just a really cool place. Old fisherman out there. It's gonna get wet. Tell you one thing, these hand warmers feel good. Kind of wish I had a butt warmer. And so the highest point on Skyline Drive is just up and back behind us. This is actually part of the Skyline Drive, and I think it's like 10,300 feet. So we're going to be pretty close to 10,000 here. Everything off to the right where I'm looking here that drains goes into the Sevier and the Great Basin, and everything that goes this way drains into the Colorado River drainage. So left and east, Colorado River, right and down in there, Great Basin, Sevier River. $50 degrees. It's better than 48 by a couple. "12-mile campground, 12-mile flat." That's what this is called. It's been a great ride. It's been fun. Yamaha Tenor A700. Not quite sure if I mentioned how good these hand warmers feel. Go Tenere. It's a good looking bike. And it's been a blast. It handles so good. The tires have been great. The Mitas tires, or Mitas, I don't know how you say it. But they have been superb on these dirt roads. Stable, not washing out, good traction. And I've been hitting these roads hard. You know, I'm doing a lot of times 35, 40 miles an hour, sometimes 50. And these tires have been great. So my bag's falling off. So I do have a tank bag. I just don't like the way they look, but I can see how handy they would be. Big truck, big camper.